Hello, hello. Today is Thursday, 1st October 2020. Topic: Jingle's Christmas Adventure. Performance: read page 4 and 5. Pedagogical Work Unit 89. Okay, first, with this book, I give you the CD or the music or not the story, yes. But first, I send you or that teach you the vocabulary. So we start first. Identify the vocabulary of the book. We start. It is not necessary that you copy in your notebook. If you like, it's okay. But if you don't like, don't worry. Only identify the vocabulary. Toys. Toys, okay? Skateboard. Skateboard. Toys. No, I'm sorry. A box of toy soldiers. A train set. Oh, look that. Delicious. Okay. The vocabulary is a box of chocolate for Christmas. Workshop. Santa's workshop. Santa and Santa's elves. Look, snowball and cat. Snowball and cat. Okay, we had the vocabulary here in this page. Look, toys, workshop, and the other is skateboard, a box of toy soldiers, a train set, okay, a box of chocolate for Christmas, and the other is easy, boy and girl, you know that, and the other is, okay, and Santa, you know that, and the boy is, look, a snowball at some cats. Okay, this is the idea that you need to do. Les voy a dejar las páginas y tú abres por favor el video que te envío adjunto y lo lees escuchando el video con la música que se escucha bien bonito, ¿ok? And you stop the video here, abres el otro video y lo escuchas. Lo mismo hacemos con esto. Lo paras y escuchas. Okay, this is the first part.